What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix Epic Games download speed. We will talk about how you can increase your internet speed while downloading the games on Epic Games Launcher. Along with that, we will discuss the basic troubleshooting methods you have to use before performing advanced troubleshooting method. In most of the videos I have seen, all of them are suggesting the advanced troubleshooting, but no one talking about the basic thing which required to increase the speed of the internet. But in this video, we will discuss the basic thing you required to increase the speed of your internet. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. Before going further, if you are new to this channel, then click on subscribe button, select all to the bell notification, give a thumbs up if you like this video and leave your feedback in the comment section. Method 1. ISP/Ethernet connection. First of all, it's really important for you to understand what is the plan provided by your ISP. I mean to say the plan you have for the internet. If you have 1 Mbps, then you'll get some around 250 kbps of download speed. If you have 10 Mbps, then you'll get some around 1.5 Mbps speed. Or if you have 50 Mbps of plan, then you're gonna get the different numbers. Or if you have 100, 500 or 1 Gbps, it's all depend the plan you purchased from your ISP. As I have 100 Mbps plan by the ISP, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna divide 100 by 8. Now click equals to, and you can see this is the speed I'll get when I download any game on Epic Games Launcher. I'll get 12.5 Mbps of speed when I download the game on Epic Games, which also depend on your ISP. There are the other factors as well which I'm gonna mention in this video, so stay tuned and watch the complete video. Now let's talk about the step 2, which is Ethernet connection. As we all know, most of the user have the Wi-Fi router installed on their home. Because of having the Wi-Fi router not close to our PC, most of the time we'll see the slow speed when we are browsing on internet or downloading the game on Epic Games. You have to connect your router with Ethernet cable, and that Ethernet cable has to be connected directly into your PC. If you have a laptop, then I'd like to suggest you the same step, because if you have the Ethernet cable connected directly into your PC or laptop, then it's gonna respond properly instead on Wi-Fi. As I have the Ethernet cable connected, I know the difference because I have a laptop as well and I have a desktop PC. And on my desktop PC, I have the Ethernet connection. However, I can use the Wi-Fi connection as well, but for work purpose, I have Ethernet connection connected to my PC, and that's what you required to play the game online. Method 2. Check download settings. To check the download settings, open the Epic Games Launcher. To check the download settings, click on Settings tab, and here scroll it down and check this box. Here you have to keep the 0 in here so that it will not cause any problem while downloading, or if you want to limit the downloading speed, then you can use this option. As you can see, 0 means unlimited speed. Either you can turn it off or you can select it on. Method 3. Change DNS to fast DNS. The DNS provided by your ISP most of the time is slow. DNS speeds are not a priority for them, and because of that, it might hurt your download speed. Change the DNS setting on your PC and you will see the difference. Here, as you can see, these are the open DNS on internet. The Cloudflare DNS, the Google Public DNS, Quad 9, Cisco Open DNS. So you can use these DNS to increase the speed of your internet. As I said, ISP do not care about the DNS settings, so it's on you to change the DNS on your PC. To change the DNS, press the Windows icon and press R. Here type ncpa.cpl and click OK. Here you can see the Ethernet. Select this one, do a right click. You might see the Wi-Fi network or any other thing, and do a right click and select Properties. Here select Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4 and click on Properties. Now here you need to add the DNS server address. Select this option. I'm adding the Google public DNS, or I can use the Cloudflare public DNS. Cloudflare is trusted as well, and Google public DNS is also very trustworthy. So I use any one of these, or you can use any one of these four, because all of them are big brands. So I'm adding Google public DNS in here. While typing the DNS server, you have to use the right arrow key to add the numbers in here. Let me show you again. Type the number 8, use the right arrow key, and again type 8, use the right arrow key. That's how you have to add the DNS in here. You have to use the right arrow key most of the time. After typing the DNS, click OK and close this one. This one gonna help you to increase the speed of your DNS. Method 4. Change Engine.ini settings. Here you have to change the Engine.ini setting, which is in the Epic Game Launcher folder. For to change the setting, press the Windows key and press R. Or either you can click here and type %appdata%. After typing the command, press Enter. As you can see the screen in here, click on App Data, open the local folder, double click on Epic Games Launcher, open the saved folder, double click on Config and open it, open the Windows folder. Here you can see the engine configuration setting. Do a right click on it and click Edit. Here you have to paste the command. The link is given in the description to copy this command. Copy this one and paste it in Engine.ini folder. Click on File and select Save. That's what you have to do to change Engine.ini setting. After this, you can open the Epic Games Launcher. I forgot to tell you one more thing. After doing the methods, I want you to check the speed of your Epic Game Launcher so that you can make sure the internet speed is increased or not. If your internet speed is increased by doing the method 1, method 2 or method 3, then you can follow those methods instead of following the method 4. Method 4 is an advanced troubleshooting, so I do not want to suggest you in the first place. So that's all for today. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up and leave your feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.